Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make oxygen with a DC motor. Connect the motor to a small pump or low-voltage electrolysis cell for a controlled demonstration only. Keep the setup simple and safe. Use goggles and gloves and work near open air or fume extraction. I will explain basic components, power considerations, and common pitfalls so you can test concepts without risking health or safety. Start by identifying the motor, power source, and interface parts for your demonstration. Match motor RPM to pump needs and confirm supply voltage and current limits. Include a simple fuse or circuit breaker and use insulated connectors to avoid sparks. Mount the motor on a stable base and use flexible tubing for gas or liquid paths. Testing in short bursts helps detect overheating and leaks before longer runs. Choose a safe method for your goal. Use a pump to aerate water and release dissolved oxygen, or a low-voltage electrolysis cell to separate gases for observation only. Keep voltages low and avoid concentrated electrolytes. Always vent produced gas outdoors or into a fume hood and never collect gas for breathing. Regularly check connections, watch for heating, and be prepared to shut power off at the first sign of trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.